Chapter 1 Basic Concepts in Geometry. Let's study point, line and plane, coordinates of a points and a distance, betweenness, conditional statements, proof. Did you recognize the adjacent picture? It is a picture of pyramids in Egypt, built 3000 years before Christian era. How the people were able to build such huge structures in so old time. It is not possible to build such huge structures without developed knowledge of geometry and engineering. The word geometry itself suggests the origin of the subject. It is generated from the Greek words geo, that is earth, and metria, that is measuring. So, it can be guessed that the subject must have evolved from the need of measuring the earth, that is land. Geometry was developed in many nations in different periods and for different constructions. The first Greek mathematician, Thales, had gone to Egypt. It is said that he determined height of a pyramid by measuring its shadow and using properties of similar triangles. Ancient Indians also had deep knowledge of geometry. In Vedic period, people used geometrical properties to build altars. The book Shilpa Sutra describes how to build different shapes by taking measurements with the help of a string. In course of time, the mathematicians Aryabhat, Varahamihir, Brahmagupta, Bhaskaracharya and many others have given valuable contribution to the subject of geometry. Let's learn basic concepts in geometry, point, line and plane. We do not define numbers. Similarly, we do not define a point, line and plane also. These are some basic concepts in geometry. Lines and planes are set of points. Keep in mind that the word line is used in the sense straight line. Coordinates of points and distance. Observe the following number line. Here, the point D on the number line denotes the number 1. So, it is said that 1 is the coordinate of point D. The point B denotes the number -3 on the line. Hence, the coordinate of point B is -3. Similarly, the coordinates of point A and E are -5 and 3 respectively. The point E is 2 units away from point D. It means the distance between points D and E is 2. Thus, we can find the distance between 2 points on a number line by counting number of units. The distance between points A and B on the above number line is also 2. Now, let us see how to find distance with the help of coordinates of points. To find the distance between 2 points, consider their coordinates and subtract the smaller coordinate from the larger. The coordinates of points D and E are 1 and 3 respectively. We know that 3 is greater than 1. The distance between points E and D is denoted as distance of ED. Distance between points E and D is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. This is the same as the length of ED, that is, the length of the segment ED. Similarly, distance DE is equal to 2. Similarly, distance CD is equal to 1 minus of -2, which is equal to 1 plus 2, which is equal to 3. Therefore, distance CD is equal to length of CD is equal to 3. Similarly, distance of DC is equal to 3. Now, let us find distance AB. The coordinate of A is -5 and that of B is -3. -3 is greater than -5. Therefore, distance of AB is equal to -3 minus of -5, which is equal to -3 plus 5, which is equal to 2. From the above examples, it is clear that the distance between two distinct points is always a positive number. Note that if the 2 points are not distinct, then the distance between them is 0. Remember this, the distance between 2 points is obtained by subtracting the smaller coordinate from the larger coordinate. The distance between any 2 points is a non-negative real number. Let's learn betweenness. If P, Q, R are 3 distinct collinear points, there are 3 possibilities. 1. Point Q is between P and R. 2. Point R is between P and Q. 3. Point P is between R and Q. If distance of PQ plus distance of QR is equal to distance of PR, then it is said that point Q is between P and R. The betweenness is shown as P-Q-R. Solved examples. Example 1. On a number line, points A, B and C are such that distance of AB is equal to 5, distance of BC is equal to 11 and distance of AC is equal to 6. Which of the points is between the other two? Solution: which of the points A, B and C is between the other two can be decided as follows. Let us show the points on number line according to given information. Distance of BC is equal to 11, equation 1. Distance of AB plus distance of AC is equal to 5 plus 6 is equal to 11, equation 2. Therefore, distance of BC is equal to distance of AB plus distance of AC from equation 1 and 2. Point A is between point B and point C. And A are 3 cities on a straight road. The distance between U and A is 215 kilometers. Between V and A is 140 kilometers. And between U and V is 75 kilometers. Which of them is between the other two? Solution: distance of UA is equal to 215. Distance of VA is equal to 140. Distance of UV is equal to 75. We can see that distance of UV plus distance of VA is equal to 75 plus 140 is equal to 215. Distance of UA is equal to 215. Therefore, distance of UA is equal to distance of UV plus distance of VA. Therefore, the city V is between the cities U and A. Example 3. The coordinate of point A on a number line is 5. Find the coordinates of points on the same number line which are 13 units away from A. Solution: as shown in the figure, let us take points T and D to the left and right of A respectively, at a distance of 13 units. The coordinate of point T, which is to the left of A, will be 5 minus 13 is equal to minus 8. The coordinate of point D, which is to the right of A, will be 5 plus 13 is equal to 18. Therefore, the coordinates of points 13 units away from A will be minus 8 and 18. Verify your answer. Distance of AD is equal to distance of AT is equal to 13. Practice set 1.1. 1. Find the distances with the help of the number line given below. Distance between points B and E. Answer: the coordinates of points B and E are 2 and 5 respectively. We know that 5 is greater than 2. Therefore, distance between points E and B is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Therefore, distance between points B and E is equal to 3. 2. Distance between points J and A. Answer: the coordinates of points J and A are -2 and 1 respectively. We know that 1 is greater than -2. Therefore, distance between AJ is equal to 1 minus of 2, which is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Therefore, distance between points J and A is equal to 3. Distance between points P and C. Answer: the coordinates of points P and C are -4 and 3 respectively. 3 is greater than -4. Therefore, distance between point C and P is equal to 3 minus of -4, which is equal to 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Therefore, distance between points C and P is equal to 7. 4. Distance between points J and H. Answer: the coordinates of points J and H are -2 and -1 respectively. -1 is greater than -2. Therefore, distance between points J and H is equal to -1 minus of -2, which is equal to -1 plus 2 is equal to 1. Therefore, distance between points J and H is equal to 1. Distance between points K and O. Answer: the coordinates of points K and O are -3 and 0 respectively. 0 is greater than -3. Therefore, distance between points K and O is equal to 0 minus of -3 is equal to 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. Therefore, distance between points K and O is equal to 3. 6. Distance between points O and E. Answer: the coordinates of points O and E are 0 and 5 respectively, and 5 is greater than 0. Therefore, distance between points O and E is equal to 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. Between points P and J. Answer: the coordinates of points P and J are -4 and -2 respectively, and -2 is greater than -4. Therefore, distance between P and J is equal to -2 minus of -4 is equal to -2 plus 4 is equal to 2. 8. Distance between points Q and B. Answer: the coordinates of points Q and B are -5 and 2 respectively. 2 is greater than -5. Therefore, distance between points Q and B is equal to 2 minus of -5, which is equal to 2 plus 5, which is equal to 7. Two. If the coordinate of A is x and that of B is y, find distance of A and B. 1. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 7. Answer: here the coordinate of A is 1 and that of B is 7. 7 is greater than 1. Therefore, distance between points A and B is equal to 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. Therefore, distance between A and B is equal to 6. 2. X is equal to 6, y is equal to -2. Answer: here the coordinate of A is 6 and that of B is -2. 6 is greater than -2. Therefore, the distance between points A and B is 6 minus of -2, which is equal to 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Therefore, distance between points A and B is equal to 8. Three. X is equal to minus 3. Y is equal to 7. Answer. Here the coordinate of A is equal to minus 3 and that of B is 7. 7 is greater than minus 3. Therefore, distance between points A and B is equal to 7 minus of minus 3, which is equal to 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Therefore, distance of points A and B is equal to 10. 4. X is equal to minus 4. Y is equal to minus 5. Answer. Here the coordinates of A is minus 4 and that of B is minus 5. Minus 4 is greater than minus 5. Therefore, distance between points A and B is equal to minus 4 minus of minus 5 is equal to minus 4 plus 5 is equal to 1. Therefore, distance between points A and B is equal to 1. X is equal to minus 3, Y is equal to minus 6. Answer. Here the coordinates of A is minus 3 and that of B is minus 6. Minus 3 is greater than minus 6. Therefore, distance between points A and B is equal to minus 3 minus of minus 6, which is equal to minus 3 plus 6 is equal to 3. Therefore, distance of A and B is equal to 3. 7. X is equal to 4. Y is equal to minus 8. Answer. Here the coordinates of A is 4 and that of B is minus 8. 4 is greater than minus 8. Therefore, distance between points A and B is equal to 4 minus of minus 8 is equal to 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. Therefore, distance between points A and B is equal to 12. 3. From the information given below, find which of the point is between the other two. If the points are not collinear, state so. 1. Distance of P and R is equal to 7. Distance of P and Q is equal to 10. Distance of Q and R is equal to 3. Answer. Which of the points is between the other two can be decided as follows. Let us show the points on number line. According to given information, distance of P and Q is equal to 10, equation 1. Distance of P and R plus distance of Q and R is equal to 7 plus 3 is equal to 10, equation 2. Therefore, distance of P and Q is equal to distance of P and R plus distance of Q and R from equation 1 and 2. Therefore, point R is between point P and point Q. Therefore, P dash R dash Q. 2. Distance of RS is equal to 8. Distance of S and T is equal to 6. Distance of R and T is equal to 4. Answer. Here the largest distance is equal to 8. Distance of R and S is equal to 8 and it is not equal to the sum of the other two distances. Distance of S and T plus distance of R and T is equal to 6 plus 4, which is not equal to 8, which is equal to distance of R and S. Therefore, points R, S and T are non-collinear.